E aí galera, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais um vídeo aqui do canal. E hoje eu vou mostrar para vocês onde pegar aviões e helicópteros no Gagaster Vegas. Entra no jogo. Pega o seu veículo P para ficar mais rápido para você pegar.
Nice problem.
Ronnie Q is back again on KWAT 104.2 with my weekly rundown of the hippest things to do in Vegas. Ronnie's rules. Ronnie's rule number 1. Wine coolers. Sure, no one drinks them, but that's what makes them cool.
Marca perto do L rosa aqui.
Ronnie's rule number 2. Drive west on Highway 9 until you see the flashing lights pull over. You're cop $5. We'll escort you down a beaten road. Then get ready to watch the best animal sacrifice of your life. That being said, I have to point out that animal sacrifices are so years ago when I played. Ronnie's rule number 3. If you need to listen to my rules to know what to do with yourself, then dude, you kinda suck. Find your own path. Listen in next week for the next set of Ronnie rules. Talk to you after this.
Feeling like your life has lost meaning since your partner passed away?
Then get your fine geriatric ass out to Cheeks for sexy senior single Sundays.
I thought my days of nailing and bailing were long gone, but then I went to Cheeks and I realized the killer still got it.
Nothing says I'm still here. Well, like dropping down to your diapers in a hot bathroom game of stretch and rummy.
Sexy senior single Sunday. First special drink starting at 3:30. We'll have you wild and loose and home in time for the nightly news. Right, Grandpa?
Who are you? Where am I?
Cheeks. Spanking's not required, but strongly encouraged.
K1 1042. Ahead of the curve.
It's Ronnie Q on KWAT 104.2. This is In the City by the Chromatics. So hot.
Esse foi o vídeo, galera. Deixe seu like, se inscreva no canal e aperte o sininho de notificação.